Hey guys, Luke Pearce here, back with another really important video, especially if you're dealing with people. So if you haven't seen the cause and effect video, then what you need to do is go back and find that video so then you know what we're going on about in this one. This video is how to take someone from effect and move them over to cause. So how do you take someone that is not taking ownership and take them over to cause? So this is where we want to end up, in cause, and this is effect where they are at the moment. So what you need to do is you need to go across each one of the stepping stones. Now this could come up in the form of everything that you could possibly think of, but it's like, how do you actually take someone from effect to cause? The very first thing that you want to do is find out what they want. Find out what they want. So find out what they want. Let's just say someone comes in for quit smoking. That's the first example that popped in my head. So someone comes in for quit smoking and they want to change. Cool. I'm happy with that. By the sounds of it, they're at cause because they're in there and they want to change. But all of a sudden, maybe I ask a question and I say like, how many times have you tried to change before? And they start talking about other people. Like, oh, I've tried this and I've tried that, but the patches didn't work, and then this didn't work, and then that didn't work, and then this didn't work. And all of a sudden, they end up in the state of effect. And they start blaming everyone else. I'm always going to bring it back to number one. I'm like, hang on a second, I'm really confused, and I just want to make sure that we're on the same page. What is it that you want? Oh, I want, this is the result, right? Because the result is always going to be a cause. The result is never going to be effect. That's not how it works. So if you know that that's the result that they want, you also know that they have to be a cause in order to get the result. So you just start talking about the result. So hey, what's the result that you want? I'm really curious why you're here. I obviously know that you started talking about quit smoking and then you started, blaming everyone and now it's not your fault and et cetera. What's the result that you want? Man, I just want to be happy. I just want to be healthy. I just want to be this. I just want to be that. I just want to be that. All right, cool. Well, in order to do that, what has to happen? What has to happen? Now, if they start talking about other people, I'm going to be like, no. What is it that you have to do? You literally just have a conversation with someone. It's like, what is it that you have to do? Oh, well, I suppose if I want to quit smoking, then I need to take responsibility and stop putting them in my mouth. Whatever it might be, I need to stop buying them. Okay, good. Cause means you're focusing the energy and the focus back on them rather than other people. Here, their energy is all over the shop. So what is it that you want? Result. And then what do you have to do in order to get the result? And then number 3, here's the kicker. Why? Why bother? Why bother getting the result? Why not just, keep smoking? Why not just keep doing what you're doing? Why do you want the result that you want? Well, because I've got family, I've got kids, I want to make a lot of money, I want to impact the world, I want to do all these sorts of things. Well, then I would be saying, well, guess what? You're not going to do that from here. It's going to be literally impossible. You're not going to do that from here. You're going to do that from here being a cause. You want to go out and change your world because of your kids, well, who's going to do it? Kids aren't going to quit smoking for you. You're going to do it. You were going to do it. So you're empowering them, you're giving the power back to them. What is it that you want? You get them focused. Well, hang on a second, I actually want to, create the business I really want. Great. What do you have to do in order to do that? Well, I have to learn that only I can do it and, blah, 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 blah. All about me. And then the next one, why? Why do you want that result? Me. I want it for my kids. Okay, cool. And how will that make you feel? You're giving them all this power that has been thrown away here, and you're funneling it in here. And that's when you will get massive change. So look, off the top of my head, 3 very simple and easy steps to get someone from affect to cause. Hope it helps out. Talk to you soon.